Hello, my dear children. This is your computer teacher. How are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we will start chapter 2, that is understanding Windows. So let's get started. First of all, what is Windows? Windows is an operating system. Now, what is operating system? Computer has a special set of programs which manage all the job of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. Without an operating system, we cannot even start the computer. Windows, Linux are some of the most popular operating system. तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या होता है? सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं जो हमारे कंप्यूटर को पूरा कंट्रोल करके रखते हैं, पूरा मैनेज करते हैं. जैसे हमारे घर में हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारा पूरा घर मैनेज करते हैं, वैसे कंप्यूटर में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पूरे कंप्यूटर को मैनेज करता है. एंड विदाउट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हम लोग कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट भी नहीं कर सकते. विंडोज़ क्या है? विंडोज़ इज़ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. बेसिकली एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक्ट्स एज अ लिंक बिटवीन द यूज़र एंड द हार्डवेयर. मीन्स जैसे हमारा यूज़र है, यूज़र को कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर से बात करनी है, तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम उन दोनों के बीच में एज अ मीडियम, एज अ लिंक वर्क करता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज यूज़र इंटरफेस. द कमांड्स और मेन्यूज थ्रू विच अ यूज़र कम्युनिकेट्स विद एन एक्सटर्नल डिवाइस और अ प्रोग्राम आर कॉल्ड यूज़र इंटरफेस और सिंपली इंटरफेस. मीन्स जो कमांड्स होती हैं या मेन्यूज़ होते हैं जिनको यूज़ करके हम कंप्यूटर या मोबाइल से बात कर पाते हैं, इंटरेक्ट कर पाते हैं, देन दोज कमांड्स और मेन्यूज़ आर कॉल्ड यूज़र इंटरफेस. There are two kinds of user interface. First is command line interface, that is CLI in short. In a command line interface, the user types text-based commands using the keyboard to instruct the computer to take the desired action. Means command line user interface में हम लोगों को कुछ भी वर्क करना है तो we have to write a command. हमें कमांड लिखनी पड़ती है यूजिंग द कीबोर्ड. हमें कमांड्स याद होनी चाहिए कि कॉपी करने के लिए कौन सी कमांड है, फाइल खोलने के लिए, डिलीट करने के लिए. सो वी हैव टू लर्न एंड टाइप द कमांड्स इन कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस. नाउ the second kind of user interface is graphical user interface, that is GUI in short. A graphical user interface provides picture-oriented way to interact with hardware and software. This includes menus, toolbar, pictures, windows, icons, buttons, and other controls that enable a user to just make a few clicks to get the work done. Means in graphical user interface, that is in GUI, we don't need to learn any command. We just click on the things and we get the work done. हमारे पास यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं लाइक मेन्यूज, टूल बार्स, पिक्चर्स, विंडोज, एंड यूजिंग दीज थिंग्स वी कैन गेट द थिंग्स डन in few seconds. We don't need to learn any command. So this is easy and better. So Windows is a GUI based operating system in which all these things are provided. And the example of CUI, that is command line interface, is MS-DOS. Now what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is a operating system developed by Microsoft company, that is world's leading software company. Windows 7 is a graphical user interface based operating system. It is most popular version of Windows and was released on October 22, 2009. Now let us talk about the features of Windows 7. It is attractive, interactive and easy to use. Searching made easier. We can easily search any file in Windows 7. It has a flexible taskbar and it supports multitasking. That means we can do so many tasks at the same time. We can open MS Paint, we can open MS Word, we can listen to the music in background. So all these tasks can be done simultaneously at the same time. Now let us see the components of Windows 7 user interface. The first screen that you see when you start the computer is called desktop. So this whole screen is called desktop. On the desktop you see some pictures are there at the left side. These pictures are called desktop icons. At the bottom you see a blue color bar that is called taskbar. At the taskbar, the left hand side there is a start button. At the right side there is a notification icons, notification area, and in between program buttons are given. And at the right side you can see desktop gadgets are given. Now let's discuss about the components in detail. First is desktop. The first screen that appears with labeled icons on it is called desktop. Next is icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. Next is taskbar. taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. Here you can see the complete taskbar is given. The bar at the bottom of the screen that shows all open programs is the taskbar. It has a start button at the left side. In between it has quick launch toolbar which has all the open programs. The programs you open, they are switched in the quick launch toolbar. At the right side you see show desktop button is present, using which you can see the desktop, and there is a notification area also at the right side. Now what is notification area? The right side of the taskbar is known as notification area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that provide status and notifications about updates. नोटिफिकेशन एरिया में हमारे सारे नोटिफिकेशंस, क्लॉक और स्टेटस, बैटरी, ये सब चीज़ें डिस्प्ले होती हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस मच फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.